Did you know October is one of the most important months for Zone 9 gardeners? If you don't act now, you could miss out on a season of thriving crops and a garden that flourishes into winter. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to maximize your October gardening efforts to ensure your plants thrive all season long. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, today we're focusing on October gardening in Zone 9. This month is your chance to set up a stellar fall garden. So let's dive in and make sure your garden is ready to thrive through the cooler months. October gardening basics for Zone 9. Plant cool season vegetables. October is the ideal time for cool season veggies like spinach, lettuce, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and root vegetables such as carrots, radishes, and beets. These plants love the mild temperatures in Zone 9, ensuring fresh produce through winter. Don't forget to try arugula or mustard greens. They grow quickly and add great flavor to your fall dishes. Start seeds indoors. If you're looking to get a jump on next season, start your warm season crops indoors. Think tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. Starting them now will give you a head start on your spring harvest. Prune trees and shrubs. Now's the time to prune dead or damaged branches on trees and shrubs. This helps promote healthy growth and prepares your plants for the winter. Pruning now means they'll bounce back even stronger in spring. Harvesting and storing fall crops. Harvest warm season veggies. If you're growing tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, or zucchini, October is your last chance before frost. Harvest them now to prevent damage from the cold.
Storing your crops.
Store your veggies in a cool, dry place and keep fruits like apples separate from veggies. Also, store pumpkins and squash in a dry, ventilated spot to extend their composting and clean up. As the garden beds empty, take advantage of this season to compost fallen leaves and other organic matter. Proper composting enriches your soil for next year, protecting your plants from frost. Zone 9 doesn't always see freezing temps, but cold snaps can still happen. Cover your plants. Use frost blankets or burlap sacks to protect delicate plants during cold spells. Even old bed sheets can work. Just make sure they allow airflow. Deep watering. Water deeply before a frost. Moist soil insulates the roots and prevents the cold from reaching them. Water early in the day so moisture can absorb before nightfall. Build raised beds. Raised beds elevate plants above the cold ground, helping with root insulation and drainage. Fall lawn care. Aerate and fertilize. Aerating allows air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots. Use a slow-release fertilizer to prepare your lawn for winter and keep watering regularly but less often. Other fall gardening tips. Check for pests. Pests like aphids and caterpillars can still be around. Monitor your garden closely and deal with any problems early. Mold. Adding mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, especially important as the weather cools down. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to October gardening in Zone 9. These tips will help you make the most of the fall season. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more gardening tips. Let me know how your garden's doing this October or ask any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.